I've watched 2 movies that say this, and I think it's true, but I did not look it up from the dictionary. They say on these movies that bravery is supposed to be when you're scared to do something, but you do it anyway. So it's not brave if you're just not scared. If you're just a dummy, you're not scared of anything, you're not brave. If you are not careful, if you're just reckless, you're not brave. Bravery takes you getting choked up and being like, it's not easy for me to like tell my listener that they could hire me for $10,000. So I'm just not going to. I don't want to offend them. So I'm going to be a people pleaser, and I'm never going to talk about my product. I'm never going to talk about my service. I just want my listener to love me. Well, you're not being brave. You're not serving your listener, and you're not being brave enough to be able to serve your listener. You're only giving the content through your podcast, and that's usually not enough for your listener in order to take action and go to the next level for them. I know for a fact that my podcast agency supports people. It allows them to do nothing else except for figure out what they're going to record on and press the record button. When they do that, we download the podcast, we edit it, we do the music, the intro, the outro, we edit out some of the ums and some of the uhs so it doesn't sound like they don't know what they're talking about. We bring in any advertisements so they're making money on their podcast. We write the show notes with our 6-part show note system. We publish it to their social media for them, so they never have to do that. We go to 3 different platforms of their social media for them. We log in, we post it so that they are getting organic traffic automatically. Additionally, we email their guest for them. We create all the promotional images and materials and audiogram, videogram. We send that to their guest for them, so that they never have to be like, hey, can I get that stuff so I can send it to my guest? No, we just send it straight to the guest. So we have a product, we have a service that takes the hard work off for our clients. And I believe in it. And so I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to let my listener know. And I need you to believe in your product. I need you to believe in your service, what you have to offer, the integrity that you do it with, your unique spin that you do it differently than anyone else, the way that you can help your listener achieve the result that they're really looking for without some of the pain that they thought that they would go through. You've got to tell them. If you don't tell them, like I said in the beginning, you're doing them a disservice. You're actually hurting them and shooting yourself in the foot, because you're not going to make money through your podcast if you never tell your listener that they can hire you and how they can hire you. I frequently have calls to action here. It's like, hey, let's do a discovery call. Let's find out if we're a fit to work together. I'll interview you. You interview me. It's a free call. At the end of the call, we figure out if we're a fit, and I'm the best one that can help you get to the next level. You should be doing that also with your listener. Don't be scared. Don't be afraid of it or scared of it. Be scared, sure, but be brave. You can be scared and be brave. You can be scared and call your listener to action. You can be scared and take a deep breath and say, hey, I can help you. I can help you in a really solid way. Here's how to find me. I'll see you there.